the day Meta was down, Facebook and Instagram were off, I wanted to make a banana bread just because these two bananas were turning black. And I use the bananas when they become dark because they are sweeter than the ones that are lighter in color. And that way I can reduce adding sugar, and I always store the black bananas in the freezer. I can use in smoothies and anything I want to bake and use less sweeteners. So here I am mashing them, and then I will add the rest of the ingredients. I also did not want to add white flour, so I added organic oats, coconut flour and cassava flour. I will add everything in the caption so you can check it out. I added 2 eggs. Now here I am adding flaxseed and chia seed. They are excellent in omega-3, and that's what we need, all the healthy ingredients. This is a very nutritious banana bread. I would like you to try and let me know if you like it. So I also added, this was just a spontaneous recipe. I just thought of the ingredients and I started adding them. I also added cinnamon just because I liked cinnamon and I like the smell, the fragrance. If you bake anything with cinnamon, your house will have such a great, awesome fragrance in the house that you will love it. Now, I just thought that maybe I need more sweetener, so I added a little bit of brown sugar. I had light brown sugar in oil and I mixed it thoroughly so that there are no granules left, and then I added some salt. So here it is. I just added everything up, and then I mostly and always actually mix the liquid ingredients separate and the dry ingredients separate, and then I join them all together, mix them all together. And I always add the dry ingredients in portions. I don't just dump all the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients, because that way we can always have lumps. And here I am folding them. As I always say, it traps air and helps the cake to rise better. So here it is, just mixing again and again so that I get all the batter mixed well, incorporated, and all the ingredients are blending in each other. And then I use this parchment paper or whatever you call it, and I spread the batter. Now here I'm tapping the tin just because if there are any air pockets, they will disappear like this. And here it is. Here comes the beauty, the banana bread, which is so delicious. Do try it. I love having it with my tea.